attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Some support to donate them. So if you can assist us by giving a little 20 or 30, anything, every make a muckle.
So why police collecting for Special Olympians?
I don't know, but we are doing for wordy cause. They understand Miss Jenny? So we are doing for them.
Big up
understand? So if you can support us. Yeah. Thank you very much, ma'am. God bless you. God bless you. Big up yourself and drive along the roadway. Safe.
Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and other people. Well, just a quick one me I do on this thing, my people, because when I see this video with Squaddy, you know, I say, yo, but a real level, you know, yo, Squaddy full of vibes, man, full of vibes, and a lot of people say, yo, a fake Squaddy this or what. Look here, man, so what? Because the man a Squaddy and him in a uniform, him can't look some donations. No, come on, man, don't think like that, my people, you know what I mean? It's for a worthy cause, man. So big up Squaddy, you know what I mean? If you never know, you know, my people, yesterday, Jamaica Constabulary Force, the whole organization, on a real level, we know see a lot of stuff in a Jamaica, charitable things they do contribute to my people and they do assist with. Yeah, man, so you never know my people. It can be even an individual, them a look some help for. You know what I mean? So you never know. You know.
We know what it takes to provide you with flexible shipping options. And for the past 3 years, we have delivered anything you like. Shop online from anywhere in the world to Jamaica. We're doing whatever it takes to provide you with flexible shipping options. We're here doing whatever it takes to go above and beyond. We're confident, we're reliable, we're ready to mobilize Island-wide Express.
You know what I mean? So when you see the squad in the street, man, and them have them look a bag, you know what I mean, or a look a pan, and them a look some donation, and so good and so great, I mean, I'm uniform, my people, highly respectably, badge number, and everything, my people. So you know what I say? You know, man, and once you can do it from your heart, and give for your worthy cause, the people. Do give for your worthy cause and do it from your heart. You understand? Do it from your heart. You don't even have to go in on the depths and the information and this and that. You know what I mean? And this man was so polite. Yo, I one of the best police this in Jamaica. Look how the man polite. Look how the man intelligent, man. The man just smooth with it, my people. Squaddy, anyway, the attacking boss, I say, big up yourself and continue to do what you do. Continue to do great. You understand? I love the vibe. I love, you know what I mean? And big up to all of the great police them in Jamaica, the good police them who up on the front line. You understand? I risk it every day just to make we have a better country, just to make peace reign in our country and we can make things go. You know what I mean? So big up the real ones them, but you say for the fake one them, attack them NEWLINK. The real police them, big up on yourself every day on a daily basis. So Squaddy, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, big up on yourself. And people, remember, NEWLINK Back to School Trade 2023, my people. Look out, support the movement, my people. NEWLINK Back to School Trade, September 2023, my people. Support the movement. It's for a worthy cause. I know so this is going to be what? The 6th staging of the NEWLINK Back to School Trade. So support the movement. Peace out. Big up. Attack. Squaddy, big up yourself. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. I'm out. Blessed.
It's a really important thing that we're doing when we do this. So the running is great, the health and fitness lifestyle is great, but we see when you can do that as well as support people in need, then it's even a better thing. You know, so I have to thank you. Thank you as the law enforcement thought run partners, partnering with the JCF to ensure that we can continue to fund that program and provide support to the Special Olympians.